Here at Appliances for Less in Salem, Oregon, we have a ton of marked down, open box appliances that have never been used, only scratches or dents. All of our appliances come with a 1-year warranty and option to extend the warranty up to 4 years total. We have washers and dryers, wash towers, ventless units, all-in-one combo units. We also have dishwashers, electric ranges, gas ranges, wall ovens, cooktops, and range hoods. We have refrigerators, French doors, side-by-sides, top freezer, garage ready. We have a variety of dimensions, 28 wide, 30 wide, 33 wide, 36 wide. We have standard depth and counter depth. We also have over-the-range and countertop microwaves. We offer easy financing options, delivery and takeaway available. Stop by today and let us help you find what you need.